This is what's going on in my portfolio right now as we speak today. Up over 6% in one day. Over $80,000 earned in one day off of my AI portfolio. I just did a deep analysis of a cosmetic company, a company that is using AI to show young ladies what they would look like if they had different colored hair, or if they had a different hairdo, or if their eyebrows were changed in a way, or if they, whatever. And they have a license with 19 of the 21 largest cosmetic firms, and they're selling for less than $2 a share. This is a company that is going to deliver AI to the women of the world. This is a company, Best of Us Investors, who is going to deliver to the investors of the world the ability to make 6% on your assets under management in one day. Now, it won't happen every day, but it is happening because we're analyzing stocks that Wall Street isn't even talking about. I've got one, Navitas, it's up 21% today. And Wall Street isn't talking about it. They don't know about it. And their analysts don't get paid to analyze it. So that's what's happening in my world today. If your world is doing better, tell me. I want to know about it. I want to get inside your head and see what you're doing that is making your life better. I believe this is going to go on. I believe that the build out of the internet, or of the data centers and AI, is going to last at least another 3 years. And then there will be companies that will deliver AI, both in analysis of stocks, analysis of your face, your hair, your cosmetics, your dress, whatever, that aren't even on the radar yet. And it's going to be delivered to you through companies like who are investing $7 trillion between now and 2030 to change your life, to make your life more profitable. I mean, if you've got a portfolio of $100,000 and you make 6,000 or 6% a day, that's $6,000. Are you making that much at your job? If you'd like to learn more, click the link in the description. Go to the landing page. I'll give you more detail there. And why don't you start making 6% on your portfolio in a given day? It can be done. I just saw it happen.